Question number 9. Figure 3.34 shows a block and tackle system of pulleys used to lift a load. How many strands of tackle are supporting the load? First sub question. So first of all, try it. I'm going to explain with the help of question only how many strands of tackle are supporting the load. So how many strands are there? You see children, these two are fixed pulleys and these two are movable pulley, and this is directly attached with the load. So this strand 1 and second, this side 1 2, similarly around this pulley 1 2, so total 1 2 3 4, these 4 strands directly hold the load. So answer of this first question is what? 4. Now second question, draw arrows to represent tension T in each strand. So as we know that load is working downward, effort is also downward. So tension is always, as it is pulling downward, load is pulling it downward, so tension force is always in opposite direction. So tension force always works in opposite direction. So we will show arrow sign and we write any symbol. It may be T T T T with each strand, or T1 T1, whatever you want to, you may write as a symbol, or as here it is given T, so write T only. What is the mechanical advantage of the system? As we know that mechanical advantage equals to what? Load upon effort. Here is load, effort is 1/4 because 4 pulleys are there, so just 1/4 we need to apply. So we will put the value to get the answer, and that will be equals to 4. When load is pulled up by a distance 1 meter, how far does the effort and move? To lift it 1 meter, it means all the strands required to lift 1 meter. 4 parts of the strand needs to lift 1 meter. So overall this is the common strand, common cable. So overall 4 meter we need to pull downward to lift 1 meter up. How much effort is needed to lift a load of 100 Newton? So we'll use the formula that effort is that formula, mechanical advantage equals to load upon effort. Mechanical advantage already have calculated here. We will use that value, this value, to get the value of effort. So see the answer. See, first answer was there are 4 strands of tackle are supporting the load. Direction of the tension force is here. See, in upward direction I have shown here. For mechanical advantage, I have written the formula load upon effort. Load is just 4 times the tension force, and effort is equals to tension force. So TT cancel, MA is equals to 4. How many pulleys are there? 4. When load is pulled up by a distance 1, effort will be moved by 1 into 4 meter, because each strand, 4 strands will lift 1 meter, and altogether this is the altogether this is the same rope. So 1 meter up, 1 meter up, 1 meter up, 1, so this all will come down 4 meter together. Now last question, MA, mechanical advantage equals to load upon effort. If load is given 100 Newton and MA already we have calculated 4, so we will use that value to calculate effort, and by cross multiplication we got that 100 by 4 is 25 Newton. So here your answer is over. Now we will see question number 10. A block and tackle system has, question number 10, a block and tackle system has velocity ratio 3. As it is given VR is 3, it means number of pulleys is 3. Draw a label diagram of the system indicating the points of application and the direction of load L. Load will always work in downward direction. And effort E, a man can exert a pull of 200 kgf. Okay. What is the maximum load he can raise with this pulley system if its efficiency is also given, and that is equals to 60%. Okay. If the effort and moves a distance 60 centimeter, what distance does the load move? So see what is given and what we are going to do. According to the question, a block and tackle system has velocity ratio 3. We know that in block and tackle system velocity ratio is equals to number of pulleys, and that is equals to 3. So we will draw this diagram. There are 3 pulleys. Okay, first 2 are fixed and single one is at bottom which is movable. So here is the effort we are applying. Okay, and here is the strand moving in this way. Bottom one is connected. So how many strands are handling this load? 1 2 and this one middle one which is connected with hook. So 3. It means this weight This load is divided into 3 parts, means triple. Load is just triple of the tension force. Now question number B, effort of a man, that man can apply effort that is 200 kgf, and efficiency is eta is equals to, this is not n, this is eta, you write down in this way, sorry, it is equals to 60%. For block and tackle system, this is the formula you must have memorized, that eta is equals to 1 minus W upon n into E. Here n is number of pulleys. So value of eta is given 60%, that is equals to 0.6. You may directly write 60%, 60 by 100, that is also 0.6. Then 1 minus W upon 2 into 200, 3 into 200, because number of pulleys are 3, into 200. Why I have written 200? Because effort is given 200. So W upon 600, what I have written here, see, W upon 600 I transferred from RHS to LHS, and 0.6 I have shifted from LHS to RHS. So 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4, and we cross multiplied this 600. So when you multiply, you will get W is equals to what? 240 kgf. Okay. Since load is equals to what? N, number of pulleys into effort minus W. So load is equals to what? In place of N we have written 3, then in place of effort 200, and right now we calculated W, that is 240. So load is equals to 360 kgf. This is the another way how you will get the value of load or effort. By using this formula also you can calculate. Okay. Now last question will be sub question of question number 10. Last sub question is velocity ratio is equals to 3, and velocity ratio formula is dE upon dl. So dl is equals to what? We will cross multiply. Dl is equals to dE upon 3. So if it is given that d, distance covered by effort, is 60 meter, so distance covered by load is what? 60 upon 3, that is 20 centimeter. Meter, centimeter, whatever unit is given, you just copy that. Now question number 11.